Welcome back to Income Insight. Today we're talking about something almost everyone uses, but very few people truly understand: credit cards. They can help you build wealth or trap you in years of debt. So in this video, I'll break down 1. How credit scores actually work. 2. How cashback really benefits you. 3. The interest traps banks don't tell you. 4. And how to use credit cards smartly without falling into debt. Stay till the end. I'll share 5 golden rules to use credit cards safely. 1. What is a credit card really? Let's start simple. A credit card is not your money. It's a short-term loan you borrow from the bank. Every swipe equals a loan you must pay back. If you pay it on time, you win. If you delay, the bank wins. It makes money from you. Credit cards are powerful tools, but only if you know the rules. 2. How credit score works. Your credit score is like your financial reputation. Banks use it to decide: should they trust you? Should they give you a loan? Should they increase your credit limit? Should they give you a lower interest rate? A good credit score makes life easier. Better loans, cheaper interest, more financial opportunities. Let's break the score down into 5 simple parts. Key cap 1. Payment history. 35%. This is the most important factor. If you pay your credit card on time, your score goes up. If you are late, even once, your score drops fast. Key cap 2. Credit utilization. 30%. This means, how much of your credit limit are you using? Example: if your limit is $1,000 and you spend $800, you're using 80%, and that hurts your score. The smart range is below 30%. Best range, 10 to 20%. Key cap 3. Length of credit history. 15%. How long you've had your card. The longer the relationship, the better. Key cap 4. Credit mix. 10%. Different types of credit. Credit cards, loans, car payments, student loans. More variety equals better score. Key cap 5. New credit. 10%. Too many applications in a short time lowers your score. So don't apply for 4 to 5 cards at once. If you understand these factors, you'll know exactly how to boost your score. 3. Cashback rewards. Let's talk about cashback. The reason people love credit cards. Cashback sounds like free money, right? That's true, but only if you use credit cards correctly. Here's how cashback works. If a card gives you 1% on everything, 3% on dining, 5% on groceries, and you pay your balance in full every month, you earn money from the bank. But if you miss payments and pay interest, the bank earns 10x more from you. This is why banks offer cashback. They believe most people won't pay on time, but you can win the game by being smarter. Cashback is basically a reward for being financially disciplined. 4. The interest trap. Here's the dangerous part: banks don't explain clearly. Credit card interest is one of the highest in the world. Average interest, 18% to 27%. Some cards even go up to 32% plus. Let's say you owe $1,000 and you don't pay the full amount. You'll pay interest every day, not monthly, daily. It works like this: small balance grows slowly, large balance grows fast. If you only pay the minimum payment, you might take years to finish a $1,000 balance. That's the credit card trap. Banks want you to pay minimum only so they can charge interest as long as possible. 5. How to use credit cards smartly. Here are 5 golden rules to use credit cards safely. Rule 1. Always pay the full balance, never carry debt. If you can't pay in full, don't swipe. Rule 2. Keep utilization below 30%. If your limit is $1,000, try to stay under $300. Rule 3. Use credit cards only for what you can afford. Treat it like a debit card. If you can't pay it today, don't buy it. Rule 4. Set automatic payments. Avoid late fees. Protect your credit score. Rule 5. Use cashback categories wisely. Groceries, fuel, dining, bills. Use the right card for the right category to maximize rewards. Conclusion. Credit cards are not the enemy. They're powerful tools that can help you build a strong financial future. If you use them wisely, use them wrong, and they could drain your money fast. Use them right, and they can boost your score, give cash back, and make life easier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I learned something new. Thanks for watching Income Insight, where we help you grow your money smarter every day.